Dear all students, in the last discussion, I mentioned about situations that led to the Battle of Plassey. Now, we ready for discuss the Battle of Plassey. Sirajuddaulah became the Nawab of Bengal after the death of Ali Vardi Khan in 1756. English company wanted a puppet ruler who provide easily trade concessions and other privileges. Puppet means a toy that you can move with strings according to your wish. So this word has been used to refer to a person who is controlled by someone else. Means a king or Nawab who was controlled by British company. We can say that king or Nawab who tried to satisfy British demands. British company started meddling to interfere in political affairs of Bengal to make a puppet ruler. Nawab Sirajuddaulah asked the company to stop fortification and pay the revenues, but negotiations failed. Nawab Sirajuddaulah challenged the company, and finally in 1757 Robert Clive led the company's army against Sirajuddaulah at Plassey. Did you know Plassey got its name? Plassey is incorrect pronunciation of Palashi, and the place derived its name from the Palash tree, known for its beautiful red flowers that is used to make gulal, the powder used in the festival of Holi. Students, the Battle of Plassey between Nawab Sirajuddaulah and the company's army led by Robert Clive became famous in Indian history. In this battle, Sirajuddaullah's army commander Mir Jafar cheated the Nawab because Robert Clive promised to make him Nawab after the victory. In this battle, English company got the first major victory in India. Sirajuddaulah was assassinated and Mir Jafar made the Nawab. Look at page number 13, the promise of wishes. Here, the main reference is that Robert Clive wrote a letter to the Principal Secretary of State to the English monarch on 7th January 1759 from Calcutta. In this letter, Clive mentioned about his major victory in India and great ambitions of the East India Company. You can also see the figure number 5. This is General Court Room at Leadenhall Street in London. In this courtroom is means this is also called East India House. The rule, the honor and officials of the East India Company had their meetings. So we can say that the Battle of Plassey became the famous because it was the first major victory the company won in India. Okay, thank you.